What did the goats say? Meh. Yeah, they're up there, aren't they? Do you say hi to the goats? Hi, goats. There goes a tractor. Can you say cheese? Cheese. Hi, goats. Look at all those goats. Bye, goats. You see them up there? Up high. Yeah. Hi. Should we go wash our hands and see something else? Do you want to pet them? Bye-bye, goats. See you later.